What's bigger, the square root of 6 or the square root of 3 to the power of square root of 3? I'm going to be answering that in today's video. Let's get stuck in. So I claim that this number, root 6, is smaller than the square root of 3 to the power of the square root of 3. Let me prove this. So this is going to be true if and only if I square both sides, the inequality is still the same. So if I square the left side, I get 6. And if I square the right side, I get root 3 to the 2 root 3. But root 3 to the 2 root 3, well, I can write that as root 3 squared to the root 3, and that's just 3 to the root 3. Okay, so essentially I'm checking, is 6 less than 3 root 3 or not? I'm going to try and prove that it is. Okay, how are we going to do this? Well, firstly, I'm going to divide both sides of this inequality by 3. So if I divide 6 by 3, I get 2. And if I divide 3 root 3 by 3, I get 3 to the power of root 3 minus 1. Okay, amazing. Now what I'm going to do is raise both sides to a power. That power is going to be root 3 plus 1. So this is going to be true if and only if 2 to the root 3 plus 1 is less than 3 to the root 3 minus 1 times root 3 plus 1. But that's just the difference of two squares. That's going to be 3 to the 3 minus 1, which is this 3 squared, which is 9. So this is true if and only if 2 root 3 is less than, 2 to the root 3 plus 1 is less than 9. But this is pretty clear because we know root 3 is definitely less than 2, because root 3 squared is 3 and 2 squared is 4. So root 3 is definitely less than 2. And so root 3 plus 1 is definitely less than 3. And so therefore this thing here is definitely less than 2 cubed, which is 8. And so it's definitely less than 9. And so that proves the inequality here. So we've proved that root 6 is less than root 3 to the power of root 3. If you want a bonus challenge, try and prove that this thing here is less than root 7. So can you prove that root 3 to the power of root 3 is less than root 7? Anyway, I'll leave that there. If you do have a solution to root 7, let me know in the comments down below. But thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.